Action.
12, 12, 12, 12, 12. King K. Yo, what's good, kings and queens? This your boy Dawn, and I'm back for another reaction video today. If you're new to the channel, go down below, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and hit all so you know every time I post, you heard. If you're not new to the channel, you already know what to do. Go down below, hit that like button. Let me know down in the comments what I should react to. I got you, you heard. It's free to show support and love, so hit that subscribe button, man. As y'all see by the title and thumbnail, today we're going to be reacting to man in stolen pest control truck tries to outrun GSP and the Blackhawk unit in crazy pursuit. Yo, what's up with Georgia State Patrol having all these units? What y'all got going on? Why y'all need all these units for, man? Blackhawk, definitely they catching you. Where he in? He in the pest control truck. I mean, a regular V catching him. Let's see why the pest control man is outrunning the boys. He must be drunk or something, son. At work. Not the pest control man. That's why he never showed up. Shout out to County Boys. Full video in the description, you heard. Henry County, Georgia. Henry County PD requests assistance of Clayton County Blackhawk unit and Georgia State Patrol doing wild pursuit of pest control truck. Multiple pits. So that's why they needed them. For the, maybe for the, yeah. Like the bars on the vehicles for them. So they can pay.
We got him.
Well, yeah. What I said right there? I already deep on him. My boy is going and he missed the tire.
Hudson Bridge, speed is 60 traffic.
What? Oh, that's not a tire. It's leaking fluid.
Alright, we're going westbound. Alright, we're going to pull into the McDonald's. He's U-turning.
What's you? Okay,
we're going to be behind business behind J-Wings, Hudson Bridge.
Okay. I thought my boy was done. No, Daddy! No! Go for it!
Alright, he's going to be going westbound Hudson Bridge towards Jodico. Speeds is 40, traffic's light, weather's good.
Yeah, they catching up easy. His V is too slow. What are you expecting to happen?
Section of Hudson Bridge Drive. Speed is going to be 80, traffic's light. Appreciate it.
Why are you listening to me? Better get out the way, Mark.
I'm Fanboy Robert 9511. We're going to be going southbound, flipping, approaching Jodico.
Oh, you're done. Okay, it's not one bad job, but that's hitting him there. Everybody like, I ain't dealing with this. I need this car. What is that fluid? Is that the freaking, the bug killer?
Alright, 506, we're going to be southbound, flipping road, approaching Roundtree Court. Speeds is 45, traffic's light, weather's clear. Clear, we're going to be southbound, flipping, approaching
That's when I
Midland Drive.
straight
Speeds
like
53,
punching.
traffic's light, weather's clear.
Lucky to me. Okay. You're gonna put him right here. Stupid.
Alright, radio, we're going to be going eastbound on Donner Road from flipping. Speeds is 20, traffic's light. He's blowing a tire.
Oh, okay, the tire is blowing. That pit gonna flip him over.
Blackhawk 6, we're eastbound McCullough approaching Oatmeal Road. Speed is 48, traffic to light, weather clear. Eastbound Chambers approaching Mount Olive Road. Speed is 36, traffic to light.
And it's only 5:09 p.m. So after work traffic is heavy. That's why I'm surprised nobody hit him yet. All right, here you go.
Trying to get a bit on him, but the truck's too big. I'm trying to get a bit on him. GSP's going to be in it. We're going to be eastbound Jodico approaching 75. Speed is 42. Traffic's light.
Yo, he is gone though.
Alright, we're going to be eastbound Jodico, passing over 75. Speed is 52. GSP is going to be primary. I'm going to be secondary.
Okay. So that's GSP up there in the big body. So they're gonna be able to pit us much easier. There you go. There you go.
We got a pit, Jodico and Access Road.
Ah!
Right,
yo, my son,
right,
wait, huh? Yo, I'm not gonna hold you. That's like one of them freaking tackles that's like spectacular. My boy did the pit and still kept going.
Alright, we got a pit, Jodico and Access Road.
Still flipped right back to the road.
Alright, he recovered. We're going eastbound Jodico, Patrick Henry, speeds 52, traffic's light.
Alright, here come another GSP. He's going. That truck said, I'm not getting out the way. I will go head on with you. Look at him. The truck said, I do not give a freak. He was ready to die that day. Now that truck got dumb torque.
Oh my God. Hey, y'all give me radio. I'm behind GSP. I will call traffic. I will call directions. Give me radio. I'm behind GSP. I will call directions. Blackhawk 6, we're on eastbound Jodico, approaching Summerfield Drive, speeds 52, GSP having negative pit times 2.
There you go. There you go. Okay. No! Back around is crazy, my heart!
Approaching Summerfield Drive, speeds 52, GSP
Yo, these
having negative
pits
pit
is
times 2.
not working. Once I said, alright, hit the brakes. Let it rock. Back around. He could really pit them though.
Alright, radio, we're going to be eastbound Jodico approaching Wishshire Way. He's going to be on the wrong side of the road, speeds 45, traffic's light, weather's clear. GSP is setting up for another pit. He's going to be at the intersection of Jodico and Windroad.
You gotta cut back over.
Alright, we're eastbound Campground Road, approaching Highway 42, speeds 49. He's still on the wrong side of the road. He just made a car 41. He just made a car 41 into the woods. One starts on the wrong side. We're eastbound Campground Road, approaching Highway 42, speeds 49. He's still on the wrong side of the road. He just made a car 41. He just made a car 41 into the woods. One starts.
No, we're going northbound right now. Oh my God! Just around the corner of the road. Oh shit!
Dang! They cannot drive. There was a hole and they panicked.
Just around the corner of the road. Oh shit! Bad 50.
Non driving. You gotta just hit them brakes and pull over.
Just around the corner of the road. Oh shit! Bad 50. You just ran the car.
Check on them.
Henry getting out with that one though. They're behind us. Henry's behind us by 10 Henry cars.
No, Henry could get that. It's crazy.
Henry getting out with that one though. They're behind us. Henry's behind us by 10.
Yeah, they might as well.
Henry just got out with that 41. He didn't make contact with the vehicle. They ran off the road.
Oh my gosh, this pitman is trash. What the first dude?
I told radio to tell Henry to get up ahead of us with some stop sticks. I might have to get the Bearcat for this one, boy.
Okay. He said go for what?
No, it's a work truck flatbed.
Right.
It's a pest control, so all of the equipment is on the back of it. It's literally a flatbed with shit on the back of it.
Oh, he just lost a tire.
Oh, he just lost a tire. Okay. Yeah, now it should work. Pin him now.
Oh, sorry.
He's caught.
He crossing back over to the right side. We're crossing
That's
over
your tackle,
Highway 42.
man.
Oh, making a left turn on the Highway 42. We're going. Oh,
He's caught.
off the road. Here we go.
Hold on. Good job. He can't move. He's not moving. He's burning out. They can't see. I can't see, coach. Right, stay right there. Make sure he don't come up the
We just
back.
took out the Stockbridge sign. We're going to be at California Drive. Show me that.
We're trying to hit that gas. Oh, got him. This man don't got no clothes on. He's biting. Oh, y'all saw, boy? He has no shoes on. He driving like that. Can't go back to jail. Cuff him, boys.
Fucking throw him the lips.
He's a good dog, though. Tase,
Yeah, I'm good.
You good, brother? You good?
The fuck off me. Blackhawk 6, you got one touch.
Get back, my boy.
Blackhawk 6, we're in custody.
Blackhawks on play, boy. They're gonna keep going.
For a second, so they can go check out on that 41-4.
Damn, look at his face. Before the video began, Daniel attempted to run over a Henry County police officer with a stolen truck, injuring the officer. This action led to shots being fired at him and the intense effort to apprehend him. We tried to obtain footage of the part of the incident, but it is currently unavailable. Dang. He did bad. Yo, the fact that he stole that vehicle is crazy, and he didn't have no shoes on, driving like a NASCAR driver. He made it wild far. No funny. Moral of the story is, don't try to run from the boys in the pest control truck, and don't be pest control. Control the pest, not the road. Just shot a bit before this, about to go shoot another one right now. I'm gonna see y'all there, so beat me there, you are. Peace. Love. Dawn. You know the vibes. DONLILREACTS. Y'all already know what to do. You heard, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Thank y'all for popping out. Peace. Love. Dawn. You know the vibes.